What's going on, everybody? How you doing today? This is the boy, big boy. Anyway, we're Brody. Man, struggle today. Brody is struggling today. What's going on, everybody? How you doing today? This is your boy, Country Boy. Hey, so tell you today on Brody, you didn't do very well. We didn't get anything Brody today. There was one that kept on, going in and then going off, going in and going off. And then it kept on, and it's still showing the app for a delivery I did yesterday to Crispin, Illinois. I called Rody, and I was on the phone with Rody for almost an hour trying to verify this wasn't a brand new one, which I knew it wasn't a brand new one, but customer service needs to get better, Brody. And then there's one that was another one for Tractor Supply, which I tried to get that one too, and it kept screwing me over on that. And so today, it was not a very good day for Rody. Sucks, because I really need the money. So I got one on the app right now that I am currently looking at, keeping an eye on. It's a pharmacy. It's at $6.50 right now, and so I'm gonna watch that one, because sometimes if you let it sit for a little bit in my area, in different areas it may not be like that, but in my area, let it sit for a little bit, it'll jump up in delivery price. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that. But in the meantime, I got stuff I'm supposed to be doing, Tomorrow I'm going to try to attempt to clean my garage out before I go back to work. But it's been so hot and muggy out here. I tried getting a fan for Rural King, but they were all sold out. I found a fan on eBay I can get, but it's like $83. And I got to make some more money before we get that fan so I can clear out the storage unit so I can save myself $65 a month. But other than that, it's been a very slow, stressful day for Brody. It's disappointing. I mean, it was because from Tuesday until today, in a week's time, I made probably about a little over $300. About $400 I made in that time frame, and only doing it like maybe 3 to 4 hours a day. So, I mean, it's probably not the best as far as that way, but I live in Terre, Indiana, so Rody is not that big over here yet. I'm about to go through and just do a actual financial breakdown of it, and then I will post that on my page and stuff. And but if I look at like Indianapolis, bigger city, yeah, there's like tons of stuff up there. But you figure I live in Terre, which is about an hour and a half drive to get up there, so I'm already losing 3 hours. So I could go up there and do it, but it'd be feasible for me to stay the night up there and just grind on it. But I don't have a cargo van yet. I've been looking and getting one, but right now I don't want to get something that's junk. But then again, too, it's like I've seen something for $3,000-$4,000. I want to get something that's decent, somewhat decent, especially if I go off and do something like that. And then, of course, I talked to a couple of Tractor Supplies about delivery stuff, but they had, and I'm going to make some flyers up to hand out. But I'm just trying to make this money to eventually be able to not have to work in the factory, but until then, try and get out of debt. But other than that, today on Roadie wasn't very good. I'm about to go in the house and make something to eat. and probably go ahead and work on this tracking thing. So, all right, y'all, just like, comment, subscribe. If you know any other apps to use besides like Roadie and DoorDash, this and that, let me know. And I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Peace.